viewers, good morning. This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, sabal khair. Viewers, today we are going to view the phrasal verbs and phrases used in speaking. These are very important phrases and phrasal verbs commonly used in communication. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard. The first phrase you see here, the first one is he will bring up burning issues. 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 वो अहम मामलात उजागर करेगा. He will bring up burning issues. He वो will bring up, to bring to light. Bring up means to bring to light, to bring forward, to put forward. And burning issues, important issues. And the phrase is he will bring up burning issues. He will bring up burning issues. वो अहम मामलात को उजागर करेगा. वो अहम मामलात को सामने रखेगा. वो अहम मामलात को सामने रखेगा. Bring up is a phrasal verb. It means to bring to light, to bring to light, to put forward. वो अहम मामलात को उजागर करेगा. वो अहम मामलात को सामने रखेगा. He will bring up burning issues. Burning issues means important issues. He will bring up burning issues. He will bring up burning issues. वो अहम मामलात को उजागर करेगा. वो अहम मामलात को सामने रखेगा. Let's see the next phrase. Next phrase you see here. They will bring about the ship. 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 वो जहाज को वापस मोड़ लेंगे. वो जहाज को वापस हार्बर की तरफ मोड़ लेंगे. They will bring about the ship. वो जहाज को, वो बैरी जहाज को वापस हार्बर की तरफ मोड़ लेंगे. They will bring about the ship. They will bring about the ship. वो जहाज को, वो बैरी जहाज को वापस बंदरगाह की तरफ मोड़ लेंगे. Okay, see my students, bring about is a phrasal verb. Bring about is a phrasal verb. It means to turn back the ship. To turn back the ship. बैरी जहाज को वापस लौटाना. बैरी जहाज को वापस लौटना. बैरी जहाज को वापस लौटाना. They will bring about the ship. They will bring about the ship. वो बैरी जहाज को वापस बंदरगाह की तरफ लौट लेंगे, मोड़ लेंगे. Bring about means to turn back. Bring about means to turn back. They will bring about the ship. They will bring about the ship. वो बैरी जहाज को वापस मोड़ लेंगे. वो बैरी जहाज को वापस बंदरगाह की तरफ, हार्बर की तरफ मोड़ लेंगे. Let's see the next phrase. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one is she will bring off the new task. 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 वो नए काम को बखूबी मुकम्मल कर लेगी. वो नए काम को बखूबी मुकम्मल कर लेगी. She will bring off the new task. Bring off is a phrasal verb. Bring off means do completely. Do something completely. Bring off means do something completely. Do complete completely. She will bring off the new task. She will bring off the new task. वो नए काम को बखूबी सरंजाम दे लेगी. वो नए काम को बखूबी सरंजाम ले लेगी. वो नए काम को बखूबी कर लेगी. वो नए काम को बखूबी कर लेगी. She will bring off the new task. She will bring off the new task. वो नए काम को बखूबी कर लेगी. Bring off means do completely. Do completely. बखूबी मुकम्मल कर लेना. वो नए काम को मुकम्मल कर लेगी. She will bring off the new task. She will bring off the new task. वो नए काम को मुकम्मल कर लेगी. Let's read out the new phrase. Next phrase. आइए अगले जुमले को पढ़ते हैं. Next one is we shall bring our books back. We shall bring our books back. We shall bring our books back. हम अपनी किताबें वापस लाएंगे. We shall bring our books back. We shall bring our books back. हम अपनी किताबें वापस लाएंगे. Bring back means to return, to return, to return. We shall bring our books back. We shall bring our books back. हम अपनी किताबों को वापस लाएंगे. We shall bring our books back. Bring back. Bring back is a phrasal verb here. Bring back means to return, to return, to bring the things back. We shall bring our books back. हम अपनी किताबों को वापस लाएंगे. Let's see the next phrase. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. You will bring on skilled lady. 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 आप एक बाहुनर खातून को लगाओगे. आप एक बाहुनर खातून को काम पे लगाओगे. You will bring on skilled lady. You will bring on skilled lady. You will bring on skilled lady. आप एक बाहुनर खातून को काम पर रखोगे. आप एक बाहुनर खातून को काम पर लगाओगे. Bring on means to employ. Bring on means to employ. To employ somebody. You will bring on skilled lady. You will bring on skilled lady. It's a beautiful phrase. You will bring on a skilled lady. You will bring on a skilled lady. Bring on is a phrasal verb. Bring on means to employ. To employ. So आप एक बाहुनर खातून को काम पर लगाओगे. आप एक बाहुनर खातून को काम पर लगाओगे. You will bring on a skilled lady. You will bring on a skilled lady. Let's read out the next phrase. Next one is I shall bring in new decorations. I shall bring in new decorations. I shall bring in new decorations. मैं नया राशि सामान घर लाऊंगा. I shall bring in new decorations. I shall bring in new decorations. मैं नया राशि सामान घर लाऊंगा. Bring in means to get home, to get in home, to get in home. Bring in means to get in home. I shall bring in new decorations. 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 मैं नया राशि सामान घर लाऊंगा. I shall bring in new decorations. I shall bring in new decorations. मैं नया राशि सामान घर लाऊंगा. Hey, my students, these are very important phrases. Memorize these phrasal verbs and the phrases. Do subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. See you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.